Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Khalik, your English class teacher. I am going to teach you chapter 4 of Goodbye, Mr. Chips. This chapter is based on Mr. Chips' recollections about the year 1896 in which Mr. Chips met Catherine Bridges. Her appearance and political views of Catherine Bridges, her influence on Mr. Chips' life and thinking. How did they fell in love, their ultimate marriage, Mr. Chips' negative perception about modern women. Mr. Chips cherished the memories attached to 1896 year throughout his life. During summer vacation in 1896, Mr. Chips went to the Lake District with Rowden, a colleague. They enjoyed walking and climbing up the mountain for a week. His colleague had to leave suddenly on some family business. Mr. Chips stayed alone at Westdale Head. One day, when he was climbing up the Great Gable, he noticed a girl waving from a dangerous looking ridge on Great Gable. Thinking that she was in danger, he rushed to save her but slipped and wrenched his ankle. She came down to help Mr. Chips. In this way, they came across for the first time. As it turned out, she was not in difficulties but an expert climber. Thus, he found himself the rescued instead of the rescuer, and neither role he had relished. Mr. Chips disliked modern women. He never felt at ease in their company. He called them monstrous creatures. He was a quiet, traditional person. He did not like Bernard Shaw and Ibsen and their reprehensible ideas. Her name was Catherine Bridges. She was 25 years old. She had blue flashing eyes and smooth straw colored hair. She considered herself responsible for Chip's accident. She started looking after and nursing Mr. Chips. Catherine was governess out of job. She possessed radical political views. She liked Bernard Shaw and Ibsen, William Morris. She thought that women should receive university education and should be given the right of franchise. Within a week, they fell in love with each other and they married in London a week before the beginning of autumn term. Dear students, now we are going to answer important questions about chapter number 4. Where and with whom Mr. Chips go during the summer vacation of 1896? He with his colleague Rowden went up the Lake District. What did Mr. Chips see while climbing on the Great Gable? While climbing the Great Gable, Chip saw a girl waving her hand excitedly from a dangerous rock. What happened to Chips when he hastened to the girl? When he hastened to the girl, he slipped and wrenched his ankle. How did Catherine look? She had blue flashing eyes and freckled cheeks and smooth straw colored hair. What were the political views of Catherine? In politics, Catherine had radical views. She liked Bernard Shaw and William Morris. What is the most important interesting incident in the novel? One day, Chip saw a girl on a dangerous rock. He rushed to help her, but in doing so, he slipped and wrenched his foot. The girl came to help him. She nursed him for a week. During the period, they fell in love with each other and married. This is the most important incident of the novel.